How's my lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. You guys have a little breakfast here. Got a tray of foods. And I have some hot cup of coffee. Vanilla creamer. A little short breakfast. Taste for it, and so guys, please hit that notification bell so when I come up with some new videos, you'll be notified. And I appreciate you guys so much. You guys just don't know. Appreciate you guys so much, and make sure you hit that subscribe. Come on board to the family. Lovely people. Oh yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. And I don't know, maybe I might do something this weekend. I don't know. My friends call me. My friends said, "Come on, cuz, you ready to go out?" So okay. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to come on and have a little chit chat with you guys. See what you guys is up to. Always enjoy coming on here talking with my lovely people. Don't worry, be happy. Remember, guys, God is so good. Almighty, powerful God is so good and awesome. I wouldn't know what to do without him. He loves us so, guys. Ooh. That's so good. I'm drinking some nice hot coffee today. For some reason, I wanted something hot this morning. And you know, I usually drink iced coffee because I love my iced coffee. But I don't have any, so I'm getting me some hot today. It's good. I have my ice. Yeah, I gotta get me some ice. So that feels so good going down. It looks like it's going to storm outside. Guess I better go to the store before it does storm. Get to the store. I have to go pick up some couple of things. Anyway, guys, I just had to get on here and have a little chit chat with my lovely people. See how you guys are doing. And then let's let you guys know I appreciate you guys so much. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Mwah. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, leave a comment below, guys. Let me know how you guys, what you guys up to. How you feel about my channel? No, I have to come on here and chit chat with my lovely people. I come in, check on my lovely people. Yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm doing too much. I have my grandson. Well, my grandson been out of school. But, I've been keeping him, his daughter and his dad go to work. But he starts back to school next week, though. They got to go back to school next week, so I just go pick him up from school now. Again. Not new year. Well, anyway, guys, I wasn't going to be on here long. I just had to come on here. I have to come on here and talk with my lovely people. Check on you guys, how you guys are doing. Just let you guys know I appreciate you guys so much. So good. It feels so good, that hot stuff to go down, So, I say, guys, remember, make a comment below. Hit that notification bell. And that subscribe button. And the like button, thumbs up button if you like it. And also, you can also share my videos so someone else can see. Maybe they might want to join the family, So, till then, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Mwah. Until then, much love, everybody. Bye-bye.